By choosing a high-quality waterproof housing, you can leverage the iPhone 17e's 48MP Fusion camera to capture stunning underwater photography or use your device in heavy rain without the lingering fear of internal moisture damage.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Sportlink Waterproof Case. The Sportlink waterproof case is engineered for those who demand military-grade reliability without sacrificing the slim ergonomics of the iPhone 17e. The Sportlink waterproof case features IP68 rated protection, keeping your iPhone 17e safe in water up to 6.6 feet deep for up to 1 hour. Whether you're at the pool, the beach, or caught in the rain, your phone stays dry and fully protected. Built with military-grade dual-layer protection and 4 reinforced corners, the case effectively absorbs shocks and helps safeguard your device from drops of up to 6.6 feet, giving you confidence in any situation. It also includes an HD screen protector that shields your display from scratches and dust while maintaining excellent clarity. The built-in lens protector keeps your camera safe as well, ensuring every photo remains sharp and detailed. The transparent back panel is designed to be scratch-resistant, allowing the new soft pink, white, or black finishes of the 17e to remain visible while staying protected from the abrasive nature of sand and grit. On number 2, we have Spidercase Waterproof Case. Designed with a focus on rugged versatility, the Spidercase waterproof case is a premier choice for outdoor adventurers who push their gear to the limit. The iPhone 17e waterproof case is designed to resist water, dust, dirt, snow, spills, and everyday splashes. Its washable design allows for easy cleaning, helping your phone and case stay fresh and look like new at all times. Certified with a military standard 12-feet drop test, the case provides full protection against accidental damage. It features a flexible rubber back cover combined with a hard inner shell to deliver strong shockproof and anti-drop protection, guarding your phone from daily wear and tear. The 360 degrees fully sealed design prevents dust and dirt from entering the case while protecting the device from scratches and fading. It performs reliably in various weather conditions and harsh environments, making it ideal for underwater activities, outdoor sports, and everyday use. The case also includes a built-in screen protector that shields the display from scratches while maintaining responsive touch sensitivity. On number 3, we have Aicase Waterproof Case. The Aicase waterproof case offers a sophisticated balance of professional aesthetics and heavy-duty protection, making it ideal for both weekend getaways and daily urban use. This case stands out due to its precision-engineered fit, which manages to provide a full IP68 certified seal while remaining remarkably pocket-friendly. The Aicase waterproof case for iPhone 17e is IP68 certified and fully sealed, allowing it to be submerged in water up to 6.6 to 10 feet for up to 30 minutes. Its all-around protective design also enables underwater photography and videography, so you can capture photos and videos beneath the surface. This shockproof case is built to exceed military-grade drop test standards, protecting your device from drops of up to 6 feet. A 2.5mm raised edge around the screen and a 0.5mm raised edge around the camera provide additional protection against scratches and impacts. The case is designed with special materials that help maintain clear sound quality. With precise cutouts and responsive buttons, it ensures easy access and smooth operation, delivering a better and more convenient user experience. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.